The scene opens with background music fading in. The host welcomes the audience to the kitchen and introduces the recipe, highlighting the main ingredients, potatoes and eggs. The scene shows the process of peeling and dicing the potatoes into small cubes. The camera focuses on the cutting board as the potatoes are chopped, emphasizing the technique. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, add the chopped onions and sauté until golden. The scene shows the diced potatoes being added to the pan along with salt and pepper. The camera captures the stirring process and the covering of the pan, emphasizing the cooking time. The scene captures the moment of cracking the eggs into the pan. The camera focuses on the eggs as they are added, showcasing the option to stir or leave them whole. Sprinkle chili flakes for a spicy kick if you like. Let it cook for 3 more minutes, until eggs are set. The scene features a close-up of the delicious dish, served on a plate, garnished with fresh herbs. The camera captures the vibrant colors and textures of the dish. The scene concludes with the host encouraging the audience to enjoy the dish and engage with the channel. The happy music fades out, wrapping up the video.